In today's video, I'll teach you how to earn interest on Kalshi. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in kalshi.com. Press enter. So Kalshi provides you interest for the money that you hold in your account. So for that, make sure you've deposited the money in your account. For that, click on this option, deposit cash, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various methods over here. Simply click on the method of your choice, go ahead and deposit the cash. Keep in mind you must have at least $250 in your portfolio to qualify. So deposit the cash accordingly. Now after you deposit the cash, you do not have to do anything. Simply having the cash in your Kalshi account will earn you the interest. Also the open positions will earn you the interest. So make sure to hold the open positions. All you have to do is wait for payouts. Interest is usually paid within the first 10 business days of the following month. So like this, you'll be able to earn the interest. So that is how you earn interest in Kalshi. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.